on, everyone? I nicked myself while I was shaving this morning. But anyways, today we're fixing my exhaust leak on my Tomei G35. You can very much hear it. It idles like a tractor. Yeah, it sounds like really bad. So basically my current exhaust setup right now is Manzo test pipes, Megan Racing wide pipe, and a Tomei wide back. And I bought the Megan Racing wide pipe used. Basically what happened is both of the flex pipes were completely shot out. It makes my car idle like a tractor and it sounded completely like shit. We're gonna get the wide pipe fixed up and hopefully she'll sound not like a tractor. Yeah, that sounds so bad. So we're gonna get this fixed. I've been needing to do this for a while now. I've had the Y pipe on for a couple months and I've been needing to do this, and today's finally the day. Also, another thing I need to get fixed soon is my check engine light, because one of my O2 sensor wires got ripped up. I hit a log in the middle of the road and it blew out my front right tire, and it tore my O2 sensor wire. I didn't like unplug it, but it tore the wire itself. So that's why I have the check engine light on. Alright everyone, we made it to New Star Muffler, shop number 2, over off of Blaylock, over kind of near the I-10 area if you live in Houston. Guys, Kevin just pulled up. He's going to help me get some clips right over here of the before and after of the exhaust leak fix. Okay, so we got the G35 on the lift. That is loose. We might want to do something about that. So right here is the main issue, the flex pipe on the wide pipe. They are completely shot out, as you can see. And when the car is idling, you can literally feel all the pressure and air just coming right out on both of them. So we're going to get those replaced and hopefully have my exhaust leak fixed. This is my O2 sensor wire that I was telling you about that's completely torn. So that's fun. So right now they're sawing off the old flex pipes so we can put on the new ones. Alright, so we got one of the flex pipes on right now. We're gonna get the other one on, and hopefully my exhaust leak should be completely gone, and I will be a very happy person. Alright, we got the new flex pipes put on. They're a little bit smaller than the pipe itself, but they work. The welds, you know, kind of make up for it. But yeah, we got the new flex pipes here, and then hopefully the whole exhaust leak should be completely gone. Huge shout out to the New Star Muffler team. I'm gonna retake that. Huge shout out to the New Star Muffler team for hooking me up with the exhaust leak fix. It sounds so much better. Oh my God, I'm so happy. We're gonna get another clip of me going down here once this traffic clears up, so that way we can see what it sounds like after. See if it made a real difference, because I'm pretty sure it did. Alright guys, that is the exhaust leak fix for you guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, G35_Hunter, if you haven't already, for some more smaller things, just daily posts. I try to post as much as possible on there to keep y'all updated on the car and just cool stuff, shooting flames and whatnot. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you guys next time on Hunter Films. Peace out.